I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the notification badge for a specific app on an Android device. Step 1. Navigate to the app you want to turn off all notifications for on your Android home screen, and then hold your finger against that specific app to open a menu. Step 2. Tap App Info in this menu. The App Info screen for that app opens. Step 3. Tap Notifications on this screen. Step 4. Navigate to the App Settings section and then tap to toggle off Allow Notification dot. Going forward, you'll no longer see notification badges on that specific app on your Android device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.